Frigidaire portable air conditioners work by removing moisture from the air during the cooling process. Understanding how this drainage system works is essential for proper maintenance. As the air conditioner cools the air, moisture condenses into water droplets. This condensation must be properly managed to prevent issues. The condensed water is collected in one of two ways, either in an internal water tank or expelled through a continuous drain hose. When the internal tank becomes full, your Frigidaire unit will display error codes like P1 or FL on the control panel, indicating that drainage is needed. The most common drainage problems include a full water tank, clogged drain hose, or internal pump blockage. Let's examine each of these issues. Here we can see water being drained from a portable air conditioner. Proper drainage prevents overflow and potential water damage to your home. High humidity environments cause the water tank to fill more quickly than the unit can evaporate the moisture, leading to more frequent drainage requirements. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing drainage problems. This includes cleaning air filters, checking drain hoses, and ensuring proper unit placement for optimal performance. Before troubleshooting any drainage issues, always power off and unplug your Frigidaire portable air conditioner for safety. If you see a P1 error code, this means the internal water tank is full and needs manual draining. Locate the drain plug at the bottom rear of the unit. To drain manually, remove the drain plug completely. Allow all water to drain out, then replace the plug securely before restarting the unit. For continuous drainage, connect a drain hose to the drain outlet and ensure it's properly positioned for automatic water removal. If the drain hose becomes clogged, disconnect it and use a thin object like a wire or chopstick to dislodge any blockages. Then rinse with water. Clean or replace the air filter regularly, as a dirty filter restricts airflow and increases condensation. Remove the filter, clean it with mild soap and water, and let it dry completely. If problems persist, try resetting the unit by unplugging it for 10 to 15 minutes, then plugging it back in. This can resolve minor electronic issues. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the drainage issue, it may indicate a more complex problem requiring professional assistance from a qualified HVAC technician.